Welcome everyone to Rayong. Today we are at our Electrolux Professional factory in Thailand. And today we're going to be talking specifically about Lagoon Advanced Care solution. Lagoon Advanced Care is a sustainable alternative to traditional dry cleaning. We're going to cover the process all together today, from cleaning to drying to finishing and the complete process in between. Our Electrolux setup here at the Rayong factory features Electrolux Professional washers and dryers, powered by Clarus Vibe as well as Compass Pro. We start by sorting garments by fabric type and color to ensure optimal cleaning results and fabric protection. Pre-treat stains with Lagoon approved pre-spotting agents. Then you can just simply place them to the corresponding cycle in the washing machine. So this is an example. Close that, select the corresponding cycle for it, press start, and the cycle is off. You don't need to do anything more than that. Select the appropriate Lagoon program and let the intelligent Clarus Vibe interface manage the water, temperature, and the mechanical action automatically. We can see from the close-up, the wash is very gentle for the wet cleaning and compared to a normal wash. Okay, now the cycle is complete. We simply take the items from the washer and we transfer them over to the tumble dryer. The items are wet and this is where we're going to dry them. In our Lagoon Advanced Care process, we simplify the drying and we make the cycles correspond exactly to what we have in the washer. So all that we need to know is what cycle they went on part of the sorting. We select the corresponding tumble dry cycle, press start, and in about 20 minutes, the cycle will be complete and the items will be dry. After drying, proceed with the finishing using professional ironing equipment for a crisp, polished look. And this is quite simple for us to do. Once this is done, you press start and the machine will do the rest for you. The cycle now complete, and now we only have one manual release, which is this one over here. And basically 99% of this jacket now is done. So in summary about Lagoon Advanced Care today, we also spoke about the importance of having multiple solutions in one. We spoke about the endorsement that we have from the Woolmark Company and the Hohenstein Institute to make sure that your customers have got the trust in the solution. These machines are available in different heating variants, electric or steam. For our tumble dryers, they're available in electric, gas, steam, or even heat pump. So keep that in mind, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us and we'll be more than happy to support you throughout your journey. Thank you.